Hello, welcome to Tech with Praise James. In this channel, I explain artificial intelligence and machine learning jargon through storytelling. Have you read an article where the author keeps using artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, interchangeably? And you're so confused, like, is it synonyms? Are they the same thing? Well, I'm here to break it to you that no, they are not the same things, but they are in the same space. So in today's video, what we're going to be talking about is the similarity and difference between artificial intelligence and machine learning. So come with me, besties. Let's start with some formal definitions. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is a broad field of computer science that is focused on building systems that would be able to do things that would normally require human intelligence. So we're talking about things like decision making, reasoning, problem solving, perception, understanding language. So AI is the umbrella term, all right? Is the term behind every system that is doing something that originally was something we only did, us humans did, but now systems are able to mimic what we are capable of doing. So any system in that category is under the field of AI. Now let's look at machine learning, otherwise known as ML. So ML is under AI, but not as a system this time. Is what allows those systems to be able to perform those intelligent tasks. So you have AI as the umbrella term, right? The field, but machine learning is the reason why that field still exists. So it is the technique, is the set of rules, the algorithms that allow those systems to be able to perform human intelligent tasks without being explicitly programmed. So instead of writing rules for a system like you would in software engineering, in machine learning, what we do is to give the system data, and then from that data, it learns meaningful patterns. So now, let me give you a very easy way to understand the difference between AI and ML. AI is the grandfather and machine learning is the father. And we have other subfields under machine learning like deep learning. So that would now become child. So let's use a kitchen analogy to understand these two terms better. So let's say we want to turn a robot to be very good at cooking like us humans. Now, there are multiple ways we can go about this. There are multiple ways we can use to teach the robot to be able to cook like us. Number one is to give it a cookbook. And from that cookbook, you'll be able to see rules. Let me say, if it wants to fry egg, it knows that, okay, I have to crack the egg open, I have to whisk it, and then I have to heat up a pan, and then I have to put oil, and like that. There are rules that it has to follow. These are standard rules all over the world. Or we could go another route of giving it multiple YouTube videos of cooking of different cuisines, and then it learns from those videos and is able to see that, okay, if I want to do this, I have to do this. So if I want to fry egg, this is what I'm supposed to do. There are different spices for different cuisines. It begins to make sense of the different actions taken in those videos, and by doing that, it's now able to understand what it's supposed to do at a particular time in whatever meal that is cooking. Now, the first one is software programming. The first rulebook example is software programming, but the second one is what is machine learning. So the data there is the YouTube video that the robot has been given, and then it learns from those YouTube videos, and that's how it's now able to, if I say, oh, cook rice for me, it's now able to remember that, oh, when I was looking at those YouTube videos, this is how this person cooked this rice, so let me go ahead and cook the rice like that. So AI in this case is the goal. Our goal was to make that system, robot, start behaving or start cooking like humans. So that is AI. Now, when we've thought about that, oh, I want to do this, I want to make this robot in this way, we now brought in machine learning to be able to do that. So it's like AI is the thoughts, and then machine learning is the actual implementation of that thought. The truth is that most times when people are saying AI, what they actually mean is ML, machine learning. But it's just that people have gotten used to just using both of them interchangeably. But if you want to go further, than the surface level of this field. You have to know the difference between AI and machine learning. Machine learning is what powers many AI systems that we use today. When Netflix recommends that you watch Breaking Bad after you just finished watching Prison Break, that is a recommendation system at work, and that recommendation system was built with machine learning. When you're writing an email using Google Gmail and it tells you what should follow the word that you're writing, that is also machine learning. When you ask ChatGPT to help you to do your assignment, ChatGPT is powered by machine learning. So most of the tools you use today that you're calling AI, they are AI systems, but they were powered by machine learning. So basically, this whole confusion between AI and ML is like calling every four-legged animal a dog. A fox may have four legs, a golden retriever may have four legs, a wolf might have four legs. They might even look like a dog, but they are not dogs. So like I said, AI is the field that says, okay, let's make computers, let's make systems to be able to behave like humans. Then machine learning is the procedure that makes that happen. We've thought about it, AI, we're doing it, machine learning. Okay, so when you're mentioning data, training, bias, if you're going further into this field, those terms, those concepts, data, bias, training, they are all under machine learning. Most of the things you'll be doing, most of the things you'll be working with, it is machine learning. The system is AI, but the process, the things that lead up to you having ChatGPT is machine learning. If you don't even remember anything from today, I want you to remember that AI is the big vision of making machines smart like humans, but machine learning is the process of bringing that vision to life by teaching those systems to learn from data. Both terms are connected, but they are not the same. AI is the umbrella, machine learning is right under, and then you have deep learning right under machine learning. I have a separate video on deep learning that I'm going to link in the description for you to see its correlation with machine learning. If you found today's video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on AI and machine learning jargon. Bye.